In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and head to the DocHub website. Once the homepage loads, you'll be on the main screen where DocHub gives you access to tools for viewing, editing, and signing PDF documents. Before you move forward, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're on the official website. This helps make sure you're signing in securely and using the correct service. When you're ready, look for the Sign In option and click it. That will take you to the DocHub sign-in page where you can choose the login method that works best for you. If you already created your DocHub account using an email address, you can sign in by entering your email and password into the login fields. Take your time here and type everything carefully, especially your password, since it may be case sensitive. Using the correct login details the first time can save you from unnecessary sign-in errors. If you'd rather not sign in manually, DocHub may also offer other login options through connected platforms. Depending on your setup, you might see choices like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, or single sign-on. This can be especially convenient if your DocHub account is already linked to one of those services, because it makes the sign-in process faster and means you won't need to remember a separate password. For example, if you choose to sign in with Google, a Google account selection window will appear. From there, simply select the account you want to use with DocHub. If you have multiple accounts signed in on your device, be sure to choose the right one, since that determines which account you'll access in DocHub. Once you've